work with the people. That's my people. You feel me? Y'all my people. Y'all doing what I do. You feel me? We on the same vibe.
Yes, sir.
So let me know anytime y'all need me to come through. I'm here.
Yes,
don't
sir.
cost a penny. I don't need nothing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Peace and Black Power, family. This is the Prince of Pan-Africanism, Dr. Umar IFATUNDE, Universal Garveyite #1. I am here at the Dorothy Bendross Economic Institute. We had a beautiful program today. Free lecture, book signing, release of my new books, Black Parent Advocate, The Art of War for Dealing with America's Public and Charter Schools, which you can order on my website, DrUmarJohnson.com. Next stop is tomorrow, Austin, Texas, Sunday, July the 25th. Gonna go to Austin, looking forward to that. And then it's the 4-day Marcus Garvey birthday tour. Denver, Colorado, August the 13th. Louisville, Kentucky, Saturday, August the 14th. Macon, Georgia, Sunday, August the 15th. And then we're gonna end it all in Harlem, New York City, where Garvey built the largest black movement in modern history on his Earth Strong, August the 17th, 2021. He turns 134 years old in the spirit. But before that, August 7th, I'll be at Newark, New Jersey, Source of Knowledge Bookstore, reading to the babies. And then on August the 21st, all roads lead to Kenosha, Wisconsin for the 1-year Memorial March and rally for our brother Jacob Blake, who was paralyzed, shot by the police, August 23rd, 2020. At the request of his father, I'm going up there to speak, to march, to rally, and to join in solidarity with my brothers and sisters across the state of Wisconsin and Kenosha in particular, who are fighting against police genocide. And then August the 28th, St. Croix, U.S. Virgin Islands, Ethiopian World Federation 84th anniversary. Black Power. Thank you, Baba. Be safe. EWF 84th anniversary, St. Croix, U.S. Virgin Islands. Can't wait to get there. It's been way too long. And then I want everybody to come to the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy first annual Black Power Block Party Unapologetically African Festival on our grounds, 600 East 17th Street. I said 600 East 17th Street, Wilmington, Delaware, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Food, games, music, speakers, performers, vendors, book bag giveaway, raffles, nothing but a day of fun with the family, celebrating our culture, our life, our reality as African people. Don't miss it. 911, Ethiopian New Year, Wilmington, Delaware, King Kong Consciousness, FDMG Academy. In the meantime, hit the Cash App, $ FDMG School. I said donate and help us finish the work. $ FDMG School on the Cash App, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. If you ever need to reach me, 215-989-9858, DrUmarJohnson.com or 8444 Dr. Umar. Peace and Black Power.